Hi friends, this is Prime Minister YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off tile pad tone in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First go to dialer. This is dialer and this is tile pad. If you type numbers in the tile pad, you will experience some tones. Okay, see here, some beep sounds are appearing and that is called as tile pad tone. If you don't want this tone to be hearable while typing numbers in the tile pad, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to the settings, then go to sound and vibration. Then here select tile pad tone. Okay, here you have to turn off this button, and now while tiling in the tile pad there will be no sound. Okay, if you turn off this button, then there will be no sound when you tile numbers from the tile pad. See here, again I go to the same tile pad and I type now. There is no sound. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off tile pad sound in your phone. Vivo Y100 5G. This is not Samsung. Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.